This is so fun. All right, so the question is, does this SMACO mini bottle kit actually work? And here's my answer. There are 1,000 things you need to know about diving, which involve you being safe when using equipment like this. I'm not speaking to any of it. None of it. No, no, no. I want no part of that. Go underwater, shallow end in the pool, and breathe underwater. Beyond that, you need to get some specialized training to use this kind of stuff safely, and I am not qualified to give you that. Again, only thing I can tell you, I can put this, go like this, and breathe underwater, which I certainly can, but let's go play with it a little bit, see how it works out. Okay, I am still here. This is so fun. But again, you need professional training, professional advice, supervision, all of those things of which I am none. The only thing I'm telling you is that they will put it in my mouth and swim here for a good long time, breathing underwater in this shallow end of the pool. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. That's all I'm talking to. I don't know if this is a good idea, bad idea, terrible idea. The only thing I tell you is a couple minutes that I was underwater here, it worked absolutely perfect. That's the only thing I'm going to speak to in this video. If you want to get one of these, there's a link right here on the screen. Down in the description, there's going to be a link in there. Please use that. It helps out the channel, so I gotta say thank you in advance for that. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more cool videos like this. If you have any questions, put them in the comments as well. We'd love to hear from you. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you in the next video.